Here at the kitchen, we all have little tricks of the trade that we've learned as professional cooks and chefs, so we've picked a few to share with you. These are our tricks of the trade, and why don't I start us off, Jeff? When we make risotto in the restaurant, you know, it's always the trick is to get it hot to the customer. So what do? We heat up our plates. So we put our plates in a 200-degree oven, and we let them sit there till they get nice and warm, not screaming hot. As you can see, it's fine, right?
Yeah, you can touch them.
Yeah.
But they're really warm all the way throughout, and they'll hold the heat for a while. So one of the things I learned in Italy when making risotto is put it on a flat plate that's warm. So when you eat it, the rice stays warm the entire time. You just put it on a towel, and you just gently bang it like that.
Really?
That does make a lot, rather than like a mountainous clump.
No clumping.
Where the center gets
warm. Every single bite is perfectly warm.
This is really simple, but it can actually be life-changing because you always see the problem of overdressed salad. And you'd be surprised how little salad dressing it takes to actually coat the greens. It's a very small amount. Now, here's my tip. You take a bowl, and instead of adding your greens to the bowl, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna dress the bowl. Check this out. Okay, so you're gonna go around a couple times, just like that, and then you're gonna add the greens to the bowl. It's just a couple of tablespoons, if that much, and then you can toss it. You can use your hands or tongs, whatever you want. And then you toss, and you just want that light coat on the greens. Now, this is not just for salads, but when you're making a sandwich, you always want to dress your greens too.
Always.
Or when you're making a burger, you want that nice flavor, and it's really important to always add the salt once it's nice and dressed, so the salt will actually stick to the leaves, and a little bit of pepper, and that's it. No soggy salad for you.
I love that.
Very good.
Love that.
We're gonna show you the secret to the perfect grilled cheese, like you get at a diner. I love a diner grilled cheese. There's one on my corner, and I always go there, and I always get grilled cheese. And to me, it's all about white bread and American cheese.
That's it.
But you know how it has that perfect golden brown crust on it? It's not butter, it's mayonnaise.
No.
What?
Yes. Okay, so you spread the outside crust to crust, as Jeff Mauro would say.
Crust is a must, America.
It's a must.
Don't fail me.
Mayo, crust to crust, and you know, mayonnaise, it's eggs and oil, so it's gonna get nice and browned. So we put that right on top. My grandpa would do it with the mayonnaise on the inside as well, because then it gets nice and creamy in there. I'm gonna give this a flip. Whenever I would stay home from school, we would make grilled cheese and watch Price is Right. That was like my play and hooky day.
Love it.
So see how perfectly golden brown that is?
I'm one with the griddle. I feel and believe in the griddle, but sometimes you don't get even circulation of heat. So I'm saying dome your cheese, right? Taking a metal bowl and creating a little kind of convection in there of heat to help, whether you're doing a hamburger with a piece of cheese on top, some kind of patty melt, or even like a Reuben that you're melting all the cheese. But another little trick that they do, I bet you don't know this, when they have 30 tickets lined up and they got to get 1 million grilled cheeses out for them kids, you take a little water under the dome, just give it a little squirt.
Wow, it's a steam bath.
It's a steam, right? You just put a little so it doesn't sog up the bread. Once that goes, you get that beautiful heat in there, right? And you could take it, and you got that golden brown bottom. Oh my God.
How is that for a grilled cheese? Man, that's good.
Oh, Go ahead, look at it. He wants a bite of that. He doesn't even want his risotto. That's how you know we did it like a restaurant.